I'm so orange. Some kind of sponge. I hope no one is living here. Hi everyone! Today it's a new day and a new video is coming for today. Today I want to make something different and I'm a little bit afraid because today we'll put some things to testing. Actually, we'll make a makeup with 3 new things that I bought from a store that has like, I don't know, a name brand. But today we'll try it and we'll see how this will go. I'm scared, but I guess it will be okay. And I bought many things, but I divided it in for 4 videos actually. So if you wanna see all of these products that I bought, you will need to subscribe and stay here on the channel to see them. So first we're gonna put some face cream because I don't want my crusty face to just not be hydrated. So first we are making the unboxing. So here we have some kind of sponge, some cheap imitation for the beauty blender. It looks cute. I mean, it feels kind of okay-ish. I hope it will be okay. Let's grab the foundation. Oh my god, I need to use my knife for this. My knife doesn't cut, so finally. Let's see the foundation. This is the foundation. It kind of looks fancy, actually. It says complete coverage. I don't know what to say about this, but we'll see. What complete coverage does it have? And I still have left some brushes, like a brush kit, the only one that I could find. So 3 hours later I was able to just open this thing. It actually feels okay. This one too. I actually never had a brush like this. It says that's a foundation brush. Never used a foundation brush that was looking like this, but this will be a new start video, I think. So here it says complete cover, maximum coverage, and it's a language that I can't understand here, but it says that it's full coverage. And concealer, foundation, 2-in-1. I'm kind of afraid of this. I don't know why, but the package looks cute. I can't say. I don't know if the shade is right because it was only one shade. This was the only shade that I could buy. Let's just do something. Let's try it. I mean, what can go wrong? Let's see. First on the hand. What the fuck is this pump doing? It's not pumping the foundation. Oh, it did. It smells like normal foundation. Actually, it smells kind of okay, like almost nice. Let's use this strange brush thing. Oh my god, this is so dark. Oh my god, what have I done? Let's put some more. Oh my god, this is so dark. I'm so curious on the coverage on this. I'm afraid to blend it. I'm afraid to blend it. I don't know why, but I just feel like it will look like something that won't be nice. It's actually not that bad, but let me do a little bit more so we can see much better. It blends a little bit strange. Maybe I put too much. I don't know, but the thing that I can strongly say is that I don't like this brush for applying foundation. I feel like I'm applying foundation with a spatula, like blending it with a spatula. So strange. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that coverage, because I don't really have like a lot of blemishes. But the color is oh my god, it's so orange. Oh my god, what have I done? The life of a YouTuber, doing all kind of things. I look so orange, it looks awful. Let's try to save this with this beauty blender thing. ASMR. It's such a strange like sound. I hope like nobody is living in here, like a little thing, a little bug or something, because I hope no one is living here in this sponge, like no live creature. Let's start to, I don't know. Oh my, this is going so wrong. Yeah, this blender, it's not doing anything basically. Oh my god, my foundation just came off with this sponge. Let me add a little bit more. Oh my god, this is a disaster. I'm so orange. So let's try to save this, but I feel like this blender is just making it worse. Like, I'm so orange, and this smells so like awful. It smells like a dead thing. I will try to do my neck a little bit, but it will make it worse. But at least let's have some fun. At least now I'm orange, like until here. It starts to look okay now, and I don't get it. I mean, is this a Transformers foundation that is just like turning from nowhere into something good? Is this kind of foundation exists? Oh my god, I put too much water on this brush, and when the water just came in contact with the foundation, you can see here that it's like trying to go somewhere, but it won't go. I hope I won't let it go. Let's continue. What do I do next? Oh, I will do some... Where's my brush? Where is my cute brush? I think I will use this one instead. I can't find that one. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe I just lost it. At least now that I'm layering this highlighter with that blush, I feel like it's, at least it's blending on the skin. Like, I never did this. I never bought a foundation that looked so promising, and still when I applied it with a little bit of color, I will distract all of you from looking at my face. The makeup is done! So now that we are done, I can clearly say that now that my eyes are done and my sight is not like fixed on my foundation anymore, I can already say that it's not bothering me that much. I don't know how you see it on camera. I will only see it when my boyfriend will edit this video, but here I can't say it bothers me like that much anymore now that I have that highlighter and blush. I can't say it bothers me that much. I might do another experiment with this. But if you like this video, you need to subscribe, to like this video, and don't forget to press that notification button, bell. Bye bye.